Today, YouTube, we are going to do a brother sewing machine race. My overlocker has unfortunately broke down. So today, I bought another machine, which I won't mention the brand. However, it is broken down. Therefore, I'm going to do a sewing machine race. But the reason why I bought the other sewing machine is because I wanted a sewing machine that could sew absolutely very, very fast, and it's broken down. So now I'm going to do a race between my brother AE700, which is my first sewing machine, and my brother Innovis 955 embroidery, and my craft space is just insane. Innovis 955. We are going to see which sewing machine actually sews faster. Here we go. This race, I'm going to grab the two pedals, so I'm going to pop this phone right here where you can see. I was actually watching a Yummy King video. My hair is a mess. It's really late in the night, everybody. But my other machine's broken down. I'm so gutted. I never sew without glasses. If I've got I can't see very well, and I either use these glasses to sew, or if I've got my contact lenses, I wear this. If you use an overlocker or a serger, you need these. You can sew to your heart's content, and you don't have to worry about a needle flying in your eye. Because what happened was, when I first got my Innovis 955, I didn't know how to use it very well. I was embroidering on it and the needle snapped. I had the wrong thread. It's not brother's fault. I had the wrong thread. So it's like really late in the night. It's been a long day. And my thread snapped and flew across the room. And from then I was like, I cannot sew without glasses or these. So these, you can get these on Amazon for like £2. I paid about £1.90 something for these. It's really late in the night, guys. But I have to do this. So I'm going to do my sewing machine race. I wonder if I can get both of these in the view. I've got some fabric that I use. I think you can see my 1700, but you can't see my Innovis 955. You can see a bit of the 955, but I'll tell you the results anyway. So here we go. I'm going to put my glasses on. Which sewing machine is going to sew faster? I'm going to get my... Oh! Okay, I'm going to use my foot one for my 955. The 955 Innovis is actually an embroidery machine as well as a sewing machine. It comes with, it's a computerized sewing machine. It comes with loads of different stitches as well as embroidery. And the AE1700 was one of my first sewing machines, so it's basic. It's only got 17 different stitches. The 955 has, I think, about 600 stitches, and it does embroidery. But I'm just going to give it a go because I want to see which one works faster. And here we go. So on the count of 3. Wish me luck, everybody. No needles flying everywhere because I can't take the stress. But I love my brothers. Anyway, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the 955 is winning. No, the 955 won just by a hair. In fact, yeah, the 955 won. I thought that the 955 would be slower because it does embroidery as well as sewing, and I thought that the AE1700, which is the one I gave to my daughter, would be faster because it just does sewing. However, the 955 won. It also has thread cutting capabilities, so you can cut your thread. I'm really impressed. It has a table which covers the embroidery unit, which I'm using. As you can tell, guys, you know I love my sewing. This is the embroidery unit. I'll take it out of my drawer. So this is the embroidery unit that it comes with, and you can embroider. I'll show you the hoop. This actually is the cover for the embroidery unit as well as an extra sewing table. I love my Innovis 955. It comes in different names. They've got different versions of Innovis these days. This was one of the first things that I actually sewed with my Innovis 955. And it was a beautiful butterfly, and I put my name on it. It may seem backwards because on YouTube the camera will show things reversed, but it's got my name on there. You can do a picture and you can do your name. You can also get the embroidery thing, so you can do different patterns. You get quite a few patterns. You can do different colours as well. This is just one of my tests. I love Brother. They need to employ me because you know what? I'm like a mascot for Brother. I love their products. And I think in total I've had about 4 Brother sewing machines. I've got a Brother scan and cut. I've got a Brother overlocker. It's not working at the moment because my machines are coming to life. It's not working at the moment because I've overused it, and I'm just like, oh, it's got I think the timing has gone in it a bit. But Brothers, I find them really good. They're not overly expensive. They work. They're reliable. I've had my overlocker for about two and a bit years now, and it's only literally, I've just been making so many things for my daughter that it's just probably thought, oh, you're using me so much, I need a break. But Brother have their warranties and their guarantees, so they take it back and they send it back. So it's not Brother's fault, it's my fault. I've been using it so much because I love it so much, and eventually I'm going to get an industrial version of it because I use my sewing products so much now. I didn't use them as much as I used to, but now I'm just going in. I love my sewing. I love my Brothers. And that doesn't sound right. But you know what I mean. I love my Brother sewing machines. I recommend them. And yes. Innovis 955, my first baby, which is my 1700. So everybody, definitely get a pair of glasses. If you don't have a pair of glasses, then get a pair of these just to protect your eyes. Some people like overlock without them, but where the overlocker just goes so fast, I prefer to have this over my eyes just as a bit of protection. Because sewing machines, I've seen people on YouTube with complaining with cuts, this, that and the other. I don't want that to happen to me, so I protect myself. So get a pair of glasses and so and be happy. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you soon. I'm going to be doing some more. There's another craft show in the end of this month, which is April 2018. I'm going to be doing more craft shows, more videoing. I hope you enjoyed all of my other videos. I keep pressing my foot. It's time for me to go to bed, everybody. It's late, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.